My name is
Zak Smith.
Naomi Hamilton.
Jessica Gould.
Callum Crawley.
Rachael Denney.
Outside of college, my interests are geography, in particular cities and history.
Martial arts.
Play technology or just practice on Yu-Gi-Oh.
Interests outside of college I have is sport.
I like to keep fit and active. I go to the gym quite regularly. I like being a bit lazy and watching anime and films.
Rowing, as well as meeting up with friends and doing some outdoor activities.
Outside of college, my interests are geography, in particular cities and history.
I have lots of hobbies outside of Brooklands. They're sci-fi, science, books, reading.
In 5 years' time, I see myself possibly being at university or maybe doing an apprenticeship in engineering and manufacturing.
I don't know where I see myself in 5 years' time, but perhaps going on to do an apprenticeship in archiving.
I'll hopefully have done 2 years in an apprenticeship and then go on to a job in software development.
I see myself in 5 years' time still in the construction industry.
I see myself in 5 years having a job, hopefully, living in my own place and hopefully owning a car.
To be working at a nursery with children.
Hopefully getting a job, maybe doing a little bit of education as well.
In 5 years, I would want to have a good job to earn good money.
Running a lab, potentially, in my job that I really love.
Oh, that's hard to decide. Generally, it's the good atmosphere, the teachers, and the fact that I don't get bored. It's just that being here it's fun and I enjoy it. That's the best bit.
The teachers, to be honest.
The best bits about Brooklands has been the support given by the Additional Learning Support Department.
Winning the competitions and taking part. Everyone is so lovely and kind and generous.
The friends you make and the lecturers, how they help you to pass the courses and make sure you have a good time while here.
I'd say Steve Reed is the most influential teacher at Brooklands.
My most influential figure at Brooklands is the head of Additional Learning Support, Linda Chapman, because she is there whenever you need to see her.
Teresa, because she did work really hard to sort out our work and sort out if we want to stay in Brooklyn, if we should stay in Brooklyn.
Maria, who teaches me travel and tourism, I've had her teaching me since the beginning, and she's always been an influential figure to me.
Honestly, I have spent a lot of time with a lot of teachers, and I'm going to go for Aaron on this one. He's helped me through college, and I've made a couple of mistakes during being here, but he's helped me improve myself a lot.
One name comes to mind, Deepa. She's amazing. She helps anyone that needs it.
I would not have Donald Trump as the US president.
Probably to get rid of minor inconveniences, just to make everybody's day feel better and everybody enjoy it a bit more in the world.
Poverty, hunger, children, it's suffering.
With climate change, because it is a big issue facing the world.
Like the prices on rent for housing for those who are part of who are with the council.
If I could change one thing in the world, it'd be that everyone's treated equally.
The way people are treated. I'd probably take food that would help me survive. And I would take my mum. Couldn't live without her.
If I had one thing I would bring with me, it would be my mother.
Honestly, I'd want to get off as soon as I could, so maybe my phone, something like that. I could have everything I needed in one little convenient little package.
I would take my friend Michael because he's my best friend. He can help me maybe building stuff there.
Could be Heather Warner.
Why?
Because she's the one who badgers me about doing things, make sure I get everything done.
I would take some music to keep me company.
I'd probably take a flare gun with me to signal boats or helicopters or something.
Confused about why. And happy, I guess.
I was surprised. I didn't think I'd get an award for anything really.
I don't know how I would feel. Like, do I feel proud? Do I feel like happy? Or do I feel like I deserved? I really don't know.
I honestly wasn't expecting the nomination, but I'm very grateful for it.
I was shocked when I heard I was nominated for the award.
I'm quite happy that people have such a high opinion of me and think that I'm worthy of such an award. So, thank you to them.
I was shocked when I found out I was nominated for an award.
I was surprised because I was not expecting it.
When I first received my award in the post, I opened it and just thought it was a generic award for the class. So I messaged my friends a picture of it to ask if they had received it, and they all said it was just me. And then after reading it again, I realised that I'd won the award myself.